Right foot out.
Yeah?
Put out your right foot, my brother.
But I don't understand why you have to explain certain things to me. No, what am I doing for?
Sir, don't go
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
Don't go there.
Why are you doing that?
Hold on, yeah, what? Pull the door there, man.
Yo, watch it. Yo, driver. Driver, what you do? Driver. Bumbo, yo, driver, what you do?
Officer, come here, step on, please.
Driver, the bumbo clock here, the driver. Yo, driver, let me out, no man. Yo, let me out. Yo, driver, let me out. I'm gonna hurt no man, not bumbo clock here, brother.